I can record and
I can record and
put a
use
light.
the light too.
Somebody gotta come up with that light.
Oh, 3 or whatever.
Wait, let them come up first, cause I can't even see them. It's not here.
Go on there, though.
Wait.
When the hoe starts, can you do this? Know where to go?
Light it, bitch.
That didn't work. This shit down the floor. Watch that window right there.
Damn.
Get back, nigga! No, sir.
Oh, that was weak. What the heck?
Hey, we gotta light it on concrete.
Oh, what if it just pops some more when we walk up to it? Go get it.
Hell no. Let the whole stay. Tell you where the other one. Yeah, right here. No, you gotta put it on concrete. The whole thing. Go here, go here. Down here. I said, go.
2 o'clock.
Watch that light. Put that hoe down. I don't want them people in there, yeah. Let me show.
Where he at?
Come on,
Oh, there
bitch.
you go.
Oh, take the hoe over here.
Bro, you barely move.
Put your light down with me. Or don't go too far. I go too far. What you mean not going? Okay, it's just gonna pop in. What? The thing up there.
They already left. Oh, snap!
Brandon fell.
What? What's up, YouTube? TechIsMason here. Yeah, starting the vlog right now. Guess I had a bad day, but take it one now. You sing your sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know, you tell me don't lie. You work up a smile and you go for a ride. You had a bad day, you say what you like. You want to feel more one more time. You had a bad day. You had a bad day. What's up? Chillin' like a villain. Chillin' like a villain. I don't know. Alright, so I'm back in the gym. You know, this is where I be at. It's nothing. But alright, so I'm on this machine right here. That's what I'm about to get on. Y'all asked for more gym footage. So yeah, I'm in the gym all the time. So now I'm playing. So I'm about to do this. I got it on 50 pounds. Just for the people that might think I'm lying, I'm receiving. But yeah, I'm using my phone because I'm editing the vlog right now, so I don't know where I can put this at. But who is that? I'm gonna put y'all over here. And here come extra black. He long. record everything, but now I'm in the workout with some treadmill. Then press start. Y'all saw that almost fell. Whoa, almost fell. Slow that down. Yeah. 4 miles per hour. 5, 6, 7, 8. That was too fun. Oh man. Oh man. That was too fun. Too fun, too fun. Episodes of Naruto in 1 week. 2 episodes of Naruto in 1 week. 2 episodes of Naruto in 1 week. You know what it is. Yeah, look at all these quarters I got, man. It's $8 in quarters. That's what you get when you save up your change. You get a whole lot of quarters. I actually have more, but these aren't quarters. Usually 1 episode of Naruto come out a week. And last night I checked it. Not last night. Yeah, last night I checked it to see if some new episodes of Naruto was uploaded. It wasn't. And I just checked it right now. Because the last one I watched was the man known as Kisame. It was that one. So I was just expecting that one to come. But then there was 2. They better not be lying to me. Let me check. Because they probably got on there and say something like, this episode will be out next week. They have it! Let me see. Nah, I don't want to play it because then that'll be a spoiler. But I think I'm back in freaking filler episodes. I don't know. Because the man known as Kisame, that seemed like a filler to me. If you don't know what anime is, you probably don't know what I'm talking about, but Naruto is probably my favorite anime. I don't know. Because Naruto and Dragon Ball Z were both awesome. But there's a whole lot of more animes that are awesome, but they're so short. That's why they can't be my favorite. Like High School DxD, that was awesome. Sekirei, that was awesome. High School of the Dead, awesome. What else have I watched? Familiar of Zero, awesome. I need more anime friends. Well, actually, I don't. I don't know. It's like I have a whole lot of anime. Well, not anime, but yeah, anime friends. I was about to say I need more anime friends, but I got David, Jalen. In the arms of the angel, fly away. Nah, I'm just playing. I can't think of nobody else right now. Don't worry about it. But yeah, I'm about to watch my Naruto. Then later on, I might go to the court, play some basketball. Basketball with Jeff. But he haven't even freaking responded to my message. David's gonna go to. Yeah, man. So I just watched those 2 episodes of Naruto, and I don't think they were fillers. I think they're actually in the main, like, they make sense. But yeah, they were good, but they were with they were with Madara and the paper girl. I don't know her name. The paper girl that was with Pain and basically Madara and the paper girl had a fight. And at the end, Madara said that now we have to go get the Nine Tails, and Nine Tails is Naruto. So yeah, they're gonna go and try and get Naruto, I guess. But I don't know how that's gonna happen because Naruto controls the Nine Tails now, so he's like super powerful. So yeah, they're gonna take some competition to beat them. I don't know, but yeah, man, I'm ready to watch the new episodes. Now I gotta wait a whole nother week, and I'm about to walk him. Wanna go outside? Yep, he does. I don't want to, but I have. And I hate when you start doing that. Oh my god, you just scratched me. Yeah. Alright guys, so I really didn't film much today. I don't think I did. But I'm just coming back in the house, which is why I didn't film that much. So yeah, I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. It's 12 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. But yeah, so I'm in the vlog here. I'm about to be tearing this food up. Not really. I don't know if I really like fried chicken that much. Oh, a black person don't like fried chicken? I don't know. Ooh, and my phone has been dead, and we were supposed to announce the winner of the giveaway yesterday. Hopefully they did it, but I wasn't. See you guys in the next video. Deuces, YouTube.